So you actually have USD inside your Bybit account and you want to transfer it to another exchanger, which is actually Binance. So you can do it for other exchanger, but we actually want to focus on Binance in this particular tutorial. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So I would actually recommend you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to do it. So you are going to come over to your Binance account. So this is my Binance account. You are going to click on this wallet option over here, and you are going to click on this deposit option. So click on deposit option. So and you are going to choose the crypto you actually want to deposit. So as you can see in my search history, I'll actually search for USDT. So if you are deposit for the first time, you can actually search for USDT from the option. So click on USDT over here, and you are going to choose the network you actually want to use. So but I will actually recommend that you should avoid some network like BIM20. They are not recommended. So if you actually use Ethereum, is very expensive, so I will not recommend that. But you can actually use Solana network, you can use Toncon network or TRC20. So this one is very easy and very cheap, so I will actually recommend you use TRC20 because it's very popular. So you are going to click on it, and as you can see, this is our wallet address. So this is the wallet you can actually send to anybody for them to send you USDT. So let's copy this wallet address over here, then come over to my Bybit account. Then the next thing you have to do right now is to click on this asset option over here again. Then what I'm actually want to do right now is to click on this withdrawal option over here, then actually choose USDT from the option, then paste the long URL we copy from Binance. So we are going to paste the long URL over here, paste it. Okay, the next thing you have to choose is to choose the network. You know, like when we are choosing our wallet from Binance, we actually choose TRC20, which is going to cost us 1.3 USDT. So we are going to choose TRC20. Then the next thing you have to do right now is to choose the amount you actually want to send out from Bybit to Binance. So I'm actually want to send, maybe let's assume that I'm sending like 20. So as you can see, I'm sending like 20, and this particular transaction is going to cost us 1.3 USDT. So, and one important thing you have to notice, whenever you're actually sending money out of Bybit, you have two options. So withdrawal fee option. So let's click on this setting option. So as you can see, deduct the fee from the withdrawal amount. So they are going to charge the fee from the amount you're actually sending out. So if you actually want the second option, so the second option, they are going to charge like they are going to add up the money. Like maybe if you are sending 20, it's going to be like 21.30. So I actually like this particular option. Then go back. So I'm going to actually, maybe I'm sending like 21 USDT. So the next thing I have to do right now is to actually click on withdraw. I'm going to do the next thing they actually requesting for me. So as you can see, you have to cross check if this wallet is actually correct. So we are using USDT and you are using TRC20 network, and this is our wallet address. So if you are actually sending this fund, you are going to get 19.7 USDT. So I think we are good to go. Then click on confirm. So the next thing you have to do for them to actually confirm you are actually sending this money out, so click on get code. So get code. So as you can see, they are going to send a code to my email address, and also I'm going to actually use Google Authenticator to authorize this transaction. So I just received a code in my email. So I'm going over to my email over here. So to my email. So as you can see, this is the code I actually got inside my email address. I'm going to copy the code, copy over here, then come over to the Bybit account, paste. I'm going to paste it. Then the next thing I have to do right now is to go over to my Google Authenticator to authorize this particular transfer. Google Authenticator. So this is Google Authenticator. I'm going to copy the OTP over here from Google Authenticator. Copy. Then actually paste the code over here. Then click on confirm. I think we should be done with this particular transaction. As you can see, withdrawal application submitted. So it's going to take like 15 minutes or 20 minutes for them to actually process this payment and send it directly from Bybit to Binance. So if you are liking this video so far, I will actually encourage you to subscribe, so that, because this is what I actually do on this particular YouTube channel. So I teach you simple tutorial about crypto. So I will actually wait a little bit. So after I've gotten the fund, then I will continue the video.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for about 15 minutes or so, I actually got a mail from Binance that there is a deposit. So I'm going back to Binance to show you the transaction details. So as you can see, I'm going to go back completely. Let me go back completely to show you. So this is the notification I actually got. USDT deposit confirmed. So let me show you the transaction details. So I'm going to go back completely. So for you to actually do all this transaction is very simple and very straightforward. So all you have to do is just to follow up with all this tutorial that I'm showing you. So as you can see, my balance has actually increased with 51 USDT. So, and it's very simple to actually do all this kind of transactions. So as you can see, deposit of USDT complete 6 minutes ago. So I'm going to click on it to show you. As you can see, 19.7 USDT completed, and it's actually use TRC20 to send this kind of fund. So if you like this video, please ensure you actually give it a thumbs up. And if you actually want to sign up for Bybit, because Bybit is actually allowing P2P in Nigeria, so if you want to do any of your P2P trading, Bybit actually allow it. So I'm going to drop the link to Bybit inside the video description. So by actually using my link, you're actually supporting this YouTube channel to grow and be able to make more content like this. Thanks for watching today's video, and ensure you actually check out the next video that is coming up. Bye.